Our question was when our ice farted on us, what was the velocity?
No.
It was not investigated.
No. We decided we couldn't investigate that one.
And what we like to do, if you want to take a minute and talk about your investigation, but we actually really want to capture what that initial question was, so we can
What's
write
the
that
initial
down.
question?
How fast is the temperature of the water dropping with the ice in it?
Okay. We may need another.
So what do you want us to do? Talk about what
Just-
we did?
Can you just give a couple of? We're just capturing the
All of this that
question,
you did, Captain?
but hold tight.
They don't.
We care. Hold tight. Can we go around and get the other initial questions?
You blinked when you said that.
Our question
What's that?
You blinked when you said that.
When I said-
Tell.
I'm not
Our
playing
question
poker.
was, does the ice melt faster in air or in water?
Could you repeat that one?
Does the ice melt faster in air or in water?
Does the ice melt faster in air than in water? Okay. Okay. Thank you. What
My question was, why, when we poured dye over the ice, did it go inside instead of running down the sides?
Which was the same, we continued with our,
Okay.
we posed to.
Can you do that one more time?
Why did the dye go inside the ice instead of running down the outside?
Okay. Thank you. What about your group in the back?
We wanted to further investigate if the secondary colors reacted the same way as primary colors on the salt versus the sugar.
Okay.
So we tried some primary colors and we tried some secondary colors. I don't really know. Huh?
That's not what we're going over right now.
I can't tell you now. Personally, we want to know. We will tell you.
That's, I'm feeling some peer pressure here to want to share out actually the results of it. Maybe we'll do a quick round. I know, I'm feeling peer pressure. I need someone on my side. I need a counselor hotline.
So we came up with, does the ice balloon have an equivalent buoyancy to an equal water balloon?
Okay.
What do you mean by equal?
I mean, like, is the buoyancy equal? So if you put the water balloon in the water, does the water balloon float the same way that the ice balloon floats? Are they equal?
Okay.
Did you ever play pitch when you Because I don't do it right.
What we're gonna do here is all right. I'm gonna succumb to a little bit of peer pressure. What we're gonna have is what I'd love is for one of the groups, if one of you willing to actually take a stab at what your question was, and then talk about share out what questions that generated through your investigation, and then we'll do 1 minute for each group to share out the results of your investigation, because otherwise, I mean, I kind of want to know too.
You're gonna have to. It's gonna be our lightning round.
But it'll be our lightning round. But if one group would be willing to share out what their question was, and then what other questions arose through that investigation,
We'll start. Some of the questions that came up was where do we put the thermometers?
Oh, our initial question, how fast is the temperature of the water dropping?
Yeah.
Okay.
I figured people knew. We were first.
It's up here.
Yeah, we wanted to know, one of our questions was, do we average temperatures from 2 thermometers or not? In other words, and do we try to control the position of the ball of ice? Because it's proximity to one thermometer or another was gonna change.
As it floated.
Okay.
Is time the independent variable?
And then what else?
The
Wrote
very
some just-
first one.
I wrote some, what is it? That's a stab at an average?
Yeah, does it stabilize at an average of what the, you can turn that over, of the, does it stabilize at an average approximately of the difference of the ice and the water temperature?
Okay.
The average of those two temperatures, and we think it's getting close.
Did your questions, did you ask all of those at the same time, or did they come up while you were
No,
investigating?
As we did our chart, we came up with one question.
Okay.
I heard you guys asking lots of questions about what would happen next.
So how about let's take a minute if you want to share your process now. Now that